Hi, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G5S Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this device. First, we need to turn off our phone. To do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on the power off option. After the phone turns off, we need to press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When this menu appears, we can release both buttons. Now, use the volume buttons to scroll through the menu, like this. Find the option called Recovery Mode and press the power button to confirm. When this screen appears, we need to press and hold the power button, then press volume up button to continue. So press and hold power and press volume up, and we enter the recovery menu. Let's use the volume down button to scroll down, select wipe data / factory reset, then press the power button to confirm. Here select the option you like. You can remove user data only, or you can remove user data and personalized content. I'm gonna select the last one and press the power button to confirm. After the process is complete, make sure that the reboot system now is selected and press power button. And at this point, the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.